Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So as y'all can already tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing y'all how y'all can make your own DIY custom tissue paper. It looks so freaking professional and so good. Like, you can even see it through the back. But tissue paper is like really expensive. I think for like, I want to say like 20 pieces is like, I want to say like two something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up and see. But it's like mad expensive. And I know as small business owners, y'all, we all like, you know, anything we can do DIY, we're gonna do it. Or just if we can find a deal, then, you know, who doesn't like a good deal? But literally, like, all you need for this DIY is tissue paper from your local Dollar Tree or Walmart. Walmart has dollar tissue paper as well. And also you would need some scissors and some tape. And then you would need, let's see, where's the, it is. You can use regular paper if you like, but I'm gonna be using cardstock paper because it's much easier with cardstock paper versus regular paper, because regular paper is just as thin as tissue paper. So I don't know if it'll work with that, but yeah, so yeah, if y'all are interested in this video, just stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you are new. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Pretty Girl crew. And yes, make sure y'all check out my business Instagram. I will have it on the screen, and I will have it linked down below. Make sure y'all follow me. I'm going to be doing a giveaway really soon on there. I haven't did a giveaway for my Instagram in a while, so I definitely am going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure y'all are following me so y'all can be a part of that giveaway whenever I do it. And also don't forget to check out my business websites. I will have it on the screen, and I will also have it down in the link down below. And I will also have a discount code for y'all. Y'all know I put y'all a long way, so yeah. You can create your this on like Word, or you can create this on Canva. Just like the template that I used on Canva was like, I just typed in resume, because you want it to be the size of you want it to be the size of like a piece of paper, because when I did it the first time, I just did like a regular square and then like put my logo in there a bunch of times, and it just did like half of it, and so it cut the paper shorter than what, like, it was shorter than this basically. Like this, I feel like you can put in one of like the boxes. Like, I'll have to grab one and show y'all. In one of like the boxes, like, I'll have to grab one and show y'all. But like one of the let me just grab one. Okay, so let me put this box together and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I put together the box, but it's this size box. I don't remember the actual size. I've had these boxes for a really long time. Of course you would need multiple pieces, but just to kind of show y'all how it will work. Well, you may can just get by with using this one. See, it covers the whole thing, and when you tuck it in, it'll fit. And I just think that is just so cute, so professional. Let me straighten it out. Yeah, I just think that's so cute and so professional. For little to nothing, really. Like, all you're gonna be spending money on is buying the tissue paper for $1, and you should already have like tape and scissors and all that. If you don't have cardstock, then you can buy cardstock. But like I said, you don't really need cardstock. You can just use regular paper. So, so I just cut the size of the paper. And you want to leave like a little space, because you're going to want to tape it down so that it will fit in the printer. So let's just go ahead and let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go and place my tape because I have double-sided tape. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna stick mine on there in like the corners in the middle. And I'll show y'all here in a minute. If you don't have double-sided tape, then you would just tape it down regular. So there, y'all see it? It's right there. You just would tape it along the outer corner of the cardstock paper. Okay, so you're gonna get your paper. Gonna line it up. Make sure you leave space in each corner so that you'll be able to fold it over. Okay, let me show y'all. So something like that, like to where you'll have like the extra room. And then you're simply going to, let me show you, hold on. Trying to make sure it's right. Okay, so if you don't have double-sided tape like this, you would basically fold it over and just put your tape along here to keep the tissue paper in place, so that when it goes in the printer, nothing comes apart and it actually, because you know how like you get a jam in the printer, you don't want it to jam the printer, so you want to like fold it over like this, and then just tape it down. And I know a lot of people don't have the double-sided tape. I actually use this for my business for something, so that's why I have it. Other than that, I will be using regular tape. So after you're done, it should look like this, and your tissue paper should be attached to the paper, or to the cardstock paper or regular print paper. My first time doing it, I used regular print paper. So now we're gonna put it in a printer. Let me turn this. So just gonna stick it in there, and you're gonna go on your computer or wherever you're gonna be printing the design from, and you're gonna hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there like it's a piece of paper. And then you're gonna go to wherever, like if it's in your pictures on your phone, you can print it off your phone, or you can print it off your computer if you're doing it on the computer. And like I said, you can do your design like on Canva, or you can do it on Word. So I'm gonna go ahead and press print. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, this is it. Let's turn the camera around so I can show y'all how to take it off. Okay, y'all, so now what you're gonna do is basically cut it off. And it kind of messed up a little. It's not as perfect as the other one. It kind of like messed up there, but everything else is fine. Yeah, I have no idea why that did that, but my first copy was really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut along the sides of it. And there you are. Here's tissue paper. And you can't even really see the sides that got a little messed up because it was along the side part where I cut off. So there you have it, your custom tissue paper. And let's put it together with this one. And it doesn't really too much have to be too much perfect, because when they receive it, I mean, they're gonna rip it right up. So okay, I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this video was very, very helpful for any small business out there that has been really wanting some custom tissue paper, but just haven't been able to afford it. It can get really, really expensive, especially if you're purchasing it from a vendor. I don't know the exact price. It's been a while since I've looked it up, but it's mad expensive, and you don't even get that many pieces for something that your customer is just going to throw right in the trash can once they open their package. So, I mean, you want it to be really, really cute for them, but you want it to be on a budget, and I feel like this is budget friendly. Your tissue paper is only going to cost you $1. You get like probably like 10 to 20 sheets in a package, and you could definitely cut them up as like the size of a piece of paper. You can probably get like, I would say 4 off one sheet of tissue paper. So you do the math, you can get a bunch of tissue papers for really, really cheap. You can probably buy like $20 worth of tissue paper and be set for a while. So I would definitely invest in this. Like, I know y'all are gonna ask, so let me tell y'all, let me show y'all the type of printer that I have. This is a new one. It's not my old one that I had, but it's the same, kind of the same one, but it's the HP DeskJet 2752E. So just in case y'all want to get it, there you are. That's the type of printer I have. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm thinking about doing, let me sit up, my slick back ponytail, I guess, like on short natural hair video. So if y'all are interested in seeing it, then stay tuned or whatever. It's looking crazy right now, but I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna do the video. But let me know down below any other DIY videos y'all want me to do. I can do y'all, I can show y'all how to make your own business cards. I can show y'all how to make your own thank you cards, whatever. Just let me know down in the comment section on what y'all want to see, and I will definitely make a video. So I love y'all also so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.